Okay. The Valencia flag. Pay also 10 euros. Who offered 10 euros for this?
22!
22, amazing. I love this. Who offered more than 22? Come on, guys. This is an amazing occasion. Where is the best place for making big Spaniards? 30 over there. Who offered more? More? 35. Keep going. Anyone else? Come on. Should I pray? 50! Boy. Okay, 50. Anyone else? Okay, should I start the countdown? 51, 52, 53. Solve it! The next one is the flag of Estia. So guys, this is your occasion to show how much engineers sometimes they can also be funny. Not on their own, but under your punishment. So, base of action, 10 euros. 20, amazing. 30. 40, okay. 50. 55. 60 from Daddy. Anyone else? Keep going.
I will pay 60, please, someone.
No, you have to pay also, please.
No.
Come on, anyone else? Come on.
Down.
Beautiful flag.
Down.
Okay,
No.
so 60, 61, 62, 63. Everyone clap somebody. Yes, thanks for watching. Thank you. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh! This is amazing. Thanks.
Fine now, right?
Here, that's yours.
Okay.
Okay, on the picture with us?
No.
Keep going.
Thank you.
Quick in-between announcement. The person who stole the Netcom mascot, please bring it here. Because that's the next item. Yes.
Because we all love them, we all meet them, but we all want to see them dancing here on this stage in some bullshit. So, yeah. Well, also, thank you. So, next object. The Netcom mascot and the Netcom flag. And the Netcom flag. Resurrection, 20 euros for a double object. So, they're not paying.
Wait a second, it's 20 euros per each?
Yeah, no, sorry, altogether.
That's what we are different. It's different bodies. Yeah, Netcom and Netcom.
Yes,
We're selling them together.
that's true. But we thought that European bodies have to stick together.
That's
So-
what AEGEE-Europe too.
Okay, we are creating a AEGEE-Europe bundle here. So for this collective,
Okay, so let's start. 3 objects, 1 mascot and 2 flags. 30 euros. Who offers 30 euros?
100 euros.
Jesus, that's a good one. Good job. Okay, more than 100 euros. I want to remind you that you can collect the money also with your friends and also with other people, not stack together with your locals. So make big groups.
110.
110! Woo! 120! Okay, the competition is going down. 140! Okay.
140.5.
140.5! Still, yours count. Anyone else who wants to make any
150.
Hostia.
Come on, make it count.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, I will start the countdown. 150 and 1, 150 and 2, 150 and 3. Solve it! So now, another triple object, essentially. 2 flags and another mascot. So yeah, the Polish bundle. This is the Polish package. You can just choose all the mixers. So on the stage we have dance, flag, Krakow flag, and border. The Krakow mascot.
Wait, it's
It's action 30.
no. I'm doing this up there too.
Oh, you 40. I can see solidarity from the tribal. Okay, amazing. AEGEE Istanbul, we miss your flag. That is gonna be amazing.
Do you want to see them?
Okay, so we have our flag. 100. 100.
120.
120 over here. Okay. Next step. Who's gonna offer more? 5. 10. Okay, time. They are technical. What?
Okay, if I buy all of these flags, can I ask each separate local to separately get the flag?
Yes. Right, in the moment you buy the mascot or the flag, all the decisions are on you guys. You take all the decision about what's gonna happen to you.
For the technical, please keep in mind that we have one plenary left and we have limited time. So consider punishments that do not involve the plenary. We will not be able to fill all the punishments tomorrow.
150 over there. Amazing.
169.
159. Anyone else more? Come on, guys. The tripod. They started amazing this year. Anyone else? I mean, you have to choose about 4 different locals. So 8. Which is for later. Amazing. So 159.
175.
175. This is a huge clap. Please clap for it. So 175. 1. 175. 2. 175. 3. Amazing.
Kleine schuitje niet.
42. Okay, so now we need to watch for
So as you can see, Aachen used to be a twin local with Lviv. Sadly, they are not with us anymore, but we still have this lovely flag. So, can I see 10 euros for the twin flag? How many? 30. I see 30 over there, yes. 35. Can I see 40? Can I see 40?
40.
Yes, 40. 45. Yes, over here. Can I see 50? 100. Let's go. Somebody bidding over 100 for this flag. Okay. I say 100. Going once. Going twice. Sold. Thank you very much. Come to the stage. Please come to the stage and collect the flag.
Okay. Moving on fast because actually I know you are tired and you want to go to eat. So now another pair of flags is coming. The Italian bundle. AEGEE-Europe. Guys, this is the perfect occasion for all of you to make us pay
100.
extremely loud.
100.
100 from Guna. Guna is going hard. Anyone else? 120. 120 for Victor. Anyone else? Come on, guys.
130.
130. Oh my gosh, I can see. I can see. 150. 150. I thought you were a friend of mine. Okay, 150. Anyone else? Please don't let Victor win for me, please. I ask it as a present. Please. Anyone else? 150? 150. 150.5? Okay, so 150 and 1.
155.
155! What? Whoa! 157! Right, no, Laura is not helping. Okay. Anyone else? 160! Amazing, amazing. Okay, I can see 160 and 1, 160 and 2, 160 and 3. Solid to Victor! Okay. Okay, to make it closer, last bundle. Yes, we're gonna see. Yes. This is something amazing. I can see already people here fighting for it. So we have Leiden, the fundraising committee, and Passau. So all the people will work, okay? So, base of action, 30 euros. Who offers
100.
42.
100.
100 from Gugna. 100. 120. Look, just, I can see the fight from the head. Leiden people are sorry. You can fight back. You can ask money back. Anyone else? Anyone else who want to go for more?
Last item.
Last item of this amazing auction, please. No? Anyone else? No. Okay. So I will start to call the countdown. 121, 122.
142.
Wait. 125.
It's 142.
142. I'm sorry. He called the dropout. So okay. Anyone else more? No? Okay, I can see confusion. Okay. I will start to call the cool down. So 142 and 1 and 2 and 3. Solve it!
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much to Lorena first for our Master of Ceremonies. Thank you all so much for participating, it was really lovely. And please approach us for the payment, we can help you. And also, I was asked by chair team, please consider that we have so many flags now, we cannot all do punishments in the plenary. But I'm pretty sure you can get very creative with doing amazing punishments, even outside. We have some very nice groups now, of 4 flags together. So think about, be creative, and well, if you want to have the punishment still in the plenary, then I'm very sorry, but we can probably only allow 1 or 2. So we can do a lottery for that. Lottery for plenary punishment.
Lottery for it.
Fundraisers. Since as in the plenary there was also the request from the Italian locals to sing Bella Ciao, we will not play the song, but if you want to sing, you can sing right now. And after that, we will have a reminder again from the local organizers about the walking bus. So please stay a few more minutes.